Hello students, let's see this example of rotation about arbitrary line. So in this example it has been given that consider the rotation of line AB where the points A and B is given. A is given as 2,2 whereas B is given as 5,5 about point P 1,1 through 90 degree using matrix. This rotation matrix is also given. So now let's see how we will calculate the rotation about the arbitrary line. Okay, so here we have the formula to calculate the rotation about the arbitrary line is x dash as x into t. Okay, so this is our formula. So here in this case we have x as x is given with these lines 2, 2, 5, 5, okay, and 1, 1. So in this case we have the x as 2, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1 and 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is my rotation, so the original points. Okay, this is my original points. Then we have the translation matrix, that is as we know our formula, the formula is this, that is translating the point to the origin, then we use this matrix. Okay, so by considering this matrix I will write here 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So in this case this is my m minus m and this is my minus m. So in the formula also we have this as here, this is my matrix. Okay, so here also I have considered minus m and minus m. So this is I am considering. The first step is translating the point to origin. So when we have to translate the point to origin, we consider this minus m and minus m as the translating factors. Okay, so next is rotating matrix. This matrix is already given. Then the third step was this is the matrix for 90 degree, and then again the translating the result back to the original. So when we are translating the result back to the original, this sign will be changed to plus. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is my m and this is my n. Okay, so see here also in the arbitrary point, the first is to translating the point to origin, then performing the rotation, and then translating the result back to the original center of rotation. So the first, this matrix is translating the point to the origin. This is the first matrix. Okay, first step matrix. Then second step matrix is about rotation, and third step matrix is about translating the result back to the origin. So the rotation matrix is already given. So this is our first matrix. We have considered here as minus m and minus n. Translation matrix, then this rotation matrix, and then this the translation back to the origin. And this is my original coordinates x and y. So now let's calculate step by step. So the first step was translating the point to origin. Translating the point to the origin. This was the first step. So now let's consider only these two matrix. So first matrix is 2, 5, 0, 2, 5, 0, 1, 1, 1. And the second matrix is 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So now by calculating these two, I got the answer as 1, 4, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this I have got by translating the point to the origin. Now second part is we will calculate the rotation matrix. So translating this matrix with this rotation matrix, we will find the product of this both. So the second part is performing rotation. So consider this matrix 1, 4, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, and the rotation matrix which is already given 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And I got the output as minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and the third step is translating back to the original center. Translating the result back to the original center of rotation. So this is our last step. So here my coordinates will be, I will take this rotation matrix first, -1, -4, -1, 1, 4, -1, 0, 0, 0, and the last matrix, that is this matrix, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So now my output will be 0, -3, -1, 2, 5, -1, 0, 0, 0. So this is my answer. Okay, so now let's plot the graph for this. Let me show you. Okay, suppose this is my x-axis, where this is my y-axis. So now this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now see here, let me first draw a line AB, so which has coordinates A as 2, 2, whereas B as 5, 2. 5, 5. So my A point is at 2, 2, so it is somewhere here. Then I have my B point as 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is somewhere here. Okay, so this is my line AB. Okay, this is my line AB, that is my original line. Now let's see the line after translating the point. Okay, so after translation I have got these coordinates 1, 1 and 4, 4. So after translating, this is my points, and then after rotation I have got this as my points. So first we will see the rotation points. This is -1, 1, -4 and 4. So this is my original line. After rotation, let's draw a line after rotation by considering these points, that is -1, 1. So this is somewhere here, and then -4, 4. So this is somewhere here. So this is my line after the rotation. Okay, this is my line after the rotation. These are the points. So this is my line after the rotation. Now translating the result back to the origin. Now, that means I want to translate this line back to the origin. So now I have got the points 0, 2. So this is 0, 2. So means point is here, and then I have got -3 and 5. So -3 and 5. It means it is here somewhere. Okay. So this is my line, final line. I will name it as A star and B star. Okay. So first what we did, this is the original line. We rotate it. Okay. We rotate it, and then again we translate it back to the original. So this is what the rotation about the arbitrary line. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.